Hello everyone, this is the digital marketing plan presentation for PoshSport's athletic brand. PoshSport athletic apparel is a clothing line that specializes in stylish crossover activewear that women can wear inside the gym and while out on errands, all while presenting a chic and effortless style. PoshSports will begin its marketing push to women living in the Minneapolis and St. Paul urban areas and their surrounding suburbs. The target demographic are savvy women and working moms who are fitness-minded and have hectic and busy schedules. The young urban professional appreciates the casual, cool look of affordable streetwear, which mimic the relaxed and trendy styles of their favorite pop culture icons. When we take a look at the SWOT analysis, we see that PoshSports will be different from the other apparel lines by featuring models portraying the everyday activities of the target demographic, which is working moms. Photos of them standing in the grocery store lines, dropping kids off at school, in their fitness classes, or on casual Fridays at work will be showcased. The weakness is there are a lot of established athleisure wear brands on the market, many of them founded by famous celebrities, so the company will not benefit from name recognition. Also, there are many brands such as Athleta and Nike, Adidas, which have large amounts of financial resources. There is an opportunity, however, to take advantage of the fact that athleisure wear is upwardly trending. One threat retailers are facing is the rising cost of production. The resulting increase in the cost of the goods, many which come exclusively from China, is a negative for new startup clothing lines. The real possibility of an economic downturn is a huge threat to any company. One of the main goals for PoshSport will be to build a larger presence and increase interaction with customers on the website, with a goal to see a 25% increase in activity within the next 12 months. To help reach this goal, the company will reach out to the top fitness instructors in the South Metro area, provide them with sample pieces from our inventory. Limited ownership means that decision-making and revisions can be made rapidly to meet the trends, changes, and demands of the athleisure wear market. PoshSport will offer only high-quality performance fabrics, but deliver the product at an affordable, below-market price. Elevated and enhanced customer service is a strategy PoshSport will use as a competitive advantage. They will ask for and promptly respond to customer feedback. The goal is for the customer to consider the company's rapid responsiveness and attention to detail superior to their competitors. We know that clothing has the power to boost self-esteem, and when you look good, you feel good. PoshSport Athletics hopes to make every woman feel like a superstar. PoshSport Athletics will use the keystone pricing strategy, which is generally the rule of thumb in the retail apparel industry. It's a simple markup formula that takes the cost times 2 to get the selling price. Since the competitors of PoshSports are clearly using a markup well above the keystone pricing for items comparable to theirs, this strategy should be beneficial to the company. PoshSport Athletics will use the e-commerce online website distribution channel Shopify to create the online store, then link the products to sell through Facebook. When the customer visits the Facebook page, they click the store tab and then they can purchase straight through Facebook. By taking advantage of the enormous reach of Facebook, PoshSport Athletics can target specific users such as gyms, fitness instructors, health-conscious moms, and busy urban professional women. In addition to the blog, Facebook, and Instagram, and other social media platforms, PoshSport Athletics will use an opt-in email campaign to announce all the sales and special offer promotions. Customers can sign up for yearly themed discounts for events such as their birthdays and receive an email with a designated offer code just for them. In addition to providing a great customer service experience, the goal of PoshSport Athletics' CRM plan is to retain its current customer base, receive referrals from them, and provide rewards for their customers' purchasing loyalty. PoshSport will implement a 2-tiered loyalty points program to motivate their customers to continue to purchase their product. For every customer that brings in a new referral that results in a purchase of $50 or more, they will receive a 25% off bonus coupon for their own use. This feature will be an ongoing email campaign, with customers having the ability to receive text messages in order to receive their awards. So by implementing these tactics, PoshSport Athletics aims to increase the customer lifetime value. So there you have it. Thank you for listening.